Can you change username on Reddit? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Reddit. If you click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, you will find your username, but there is no any options for changing your username. As seen on article of Reddit, as you can see, no, once a username is finalized, it can't be changed in any way. Also, to change a username, you will need to make another account with the name you want to change. As you can see, if you created your Reddit account by signing in with your Google account or Apple ID, a username was automatically assigned to you and you have 30 days to change it. After 30 days, you won't be able to change it. And the answer is no, you cannot directly change username on Reddit. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.